What's up, everyone? This is your girl KP. I'm gonna do another episode with Around the House with KP. As you know, we're living in a pandemic, and a lot of people losing jobs. But it's a lot of companies and everything that's helping pay bills, feeding you, giving you food, fruits, vegetables, whatever. But so today, I've been blessed with 2 food boxes. Let me show you. Oh, shoot. 2. Both of my fruits and vegetables. Can't wait to cook. Now, also, I went to the farmer's market. And you know I love the farmer's market. So, I wanted to try, since being in the house quarantine, I picked up a couple of pounds. I know a lot of y'all have, excuse my hair, but I'm wild. I'm on my natural Nubian, Erykah Badu, Jill Scott, Fight the Power. Okay, but, so I went to the farmer's market today, and let me show you everything I got. So, I got a little of rosemary, need a little flaxseed, try to digest some of this stuff with my food, a lot of pink Himalayan salt. Hey, I love my curry powder. Bought me some cinnamon sticks. What else I got? Turmeric, because I'm having the hardest time with my joints. And I got me some onions. Also got me some ginger, digestive tea, and mango ginger tea. So, I have noticed I have gained a couple of pounds, and my knees is starting to hurt. Well, my right knee is starting to hurt. And I know I'm too young for any kind of knee surgery, so I'm going to do it the right way and lose a couple of pounds. Sitting in the house being quarantined, all you want to do is eat, do your work, and lay down. But I got to learn how to be better. So, as of yesterday, I put into a full plan that I am going to start working out, doing better, living a healthier lifestyle. So, let me show you what I'm cooking tonight. I'm doing some chicken thighs, and I'm going to do some green beans. Just meat and protein. Meat, protein, meat, protein. That's all I'm doing. So, I've already started my meat, so let me show you how it looks. Got a little rosemary, turmeric on there. Whew, look at that. Looks good. Little pepper. Now, I also got some Italian seasoning, some soul food, little salt, little black pepper, little oil on the bottom of the pan. So, I'm going to get this started and have me a nice, healthy meal for tonight. Y'all stay tuned. Thought I seen a bug. Bye. What's up, everyone? It's your girl KP. I'm back. Like I previously said before, I've been blessed from a food bank and from my mom that she came over and dropped off all this food to me. Let me show you everything that's in the box. Look, we got what is this? Lettuce, lemons, sweet potatoes. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Look at that. God is good. Anyway, sorry. Onions. All kinds of stuff. Oh my God. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Oh my God. I can't wait to cook with this. Lord, I just love it. I love cooking with vegetables, chicken, especially now since I'm on my fruits and vegetables and meats only. So I'm sorting everything out, as you can see. Look, everything on the floor, breaking down everything, trying to put everything in this refrigerator, figuring out. Look at this. What? Lord have mercy. Blessed. I'm not hurting over here. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. I'm showing y'all what my meal look like after I finish getting everything together. It cook. Whew, this is going to be a good night for me. Y'all stay tuned. Around the House with Gary. With your girl, KP. I'm stuttering. Bye. What's up, everyone? I'm back. It's been about 45 minutes. Almost 47 minutes. And the chicken is ready. Let's take a look. Look at that. You can tell I already bit a piece off of it off. Look how it look. It looks amazing. Nice little burnt crust on top. Nice juices flowing. Nice. Can't wait to eat. Enjoy your night.